Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys. Usually YouTube URL is very long, and if you want to make it customized according to your name of your channel, how you can do it? If you have more than 100 subscribers, then you can do it easily. So stick around, I'll show you how. Simply you need to open the Google Chrome or your Edge browser and type there studio. After opening your studio, on the left side you can see here a tab customization. So simply click on this. Then you have another tab, basic info. You have layout, branding and basic info. So click on the basic info, then scroll down slightly, and then you can see here set a custom URL. So simply click on this, and now you can see they are giving the recommendation that you can take this or you can choose the down one, and if you want to add something to it you can add it, but I am fine with this one, youtube.com/MAARKS edutech, and simply I click on publish. And they are saying that you cannot change it later on, or you cannot transfer it to any other. I don't want to change it, so just click on confirm, and woohoo, we are done. So in this way you can set the customized channel. So if I write here, for example, if it is youtube.com/MAARKS edutech and I press enter, you see my channel opens. So this is how easily you can customize your URL. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, give it a like, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon as I upload informative videos every week. Take care. Allah Hafiz.